What we have is a coaching system. We come alongside you. We're literally going to help you and do some sessions with you to make sure you're on track. But what the Money Max account system itself is now, okay, part of becoming a client with us is a platform that I'm going to want you to use, right? It is a system that literally works. Do you have the Waze app on your iPhone? Okay, you live in Georgia, I live in Indiana. If I wanted to come visit you, I can get to your house with a map, right? I can stop at 7-Eleven and buy a map. That would work, right? What
Right.
happens if there's a bridge out, or if there's a bad accident, or if I want to go get something to eat? That map is a pain in the butt, isn't it? You got to pull over, you got to pull it out, right? It's a pain in the butt. Well, luckily, in the year 2024, we have a Waze app on our phone or the GPS in your car, right? Like you literally put in the address and it's going to take you exactly where you need to go. And if you make a wrong turn, what happens? Yep, gives you the next step. You ever turn your GPS or your Waze app where you have the map view? You ever have that GPS in your car where you switch it to the list view where it shows you the streets? And when you make a
Yeah.
left turn, the next street pops up, right? The next step pops up. You make your next turn, the next street pops up. You understand where I'm going with that? If I wanted to plan a trip and I wanted to make stops along the way, I can see how those stops affect my final destination, right? We have a system that literally looks at every debt you have, your income, your expenses, your cash flow, and I'm literally going to give you the most efficient thing to do in real time. You want to eliminate debt, you want to build wealth, you want to take advantage of the different strategies that you and I are going to learn together and see if it makes sense for your family together. We're literally going to show you the fastest mathematical path to hitting the goals that you want to hit. And what's so neat is just like the GPS in your car, it is constantly making every penny you have the most efficient it possibly can be. Pretty cool? It's looking at all your debts, all your income, your checking account, your savings account, your mortgage, your credit card, all that stuff. And it's saying, what is the fastest path to your destination? For most people, they want to be out of debt. For some people, they want to be out of debt. They also want to save for retirement. They want to build wealth. They want to buy a rental property. They want to plan their portfolio. I have clients that have hundreds of debts. I have clients that have 20, 30, 40 mortgages because they're investors and they use our system as a way to systematically plan, forecast out their entire life. And they know, just like the GPS in the car, what their next step is so they don't have to overthink and get overwhelmed. Okay. So if we can incorporate that for you, most of my clients are going to be debt free in 5 to 10 years, not 30. They're going to save at least $100,000 in interest for the most part. Some are hundreds of thousands. I've had clients that have saved millions of dollars in interest because they were millions of dollars in debt. And what we put together is the perfect step-by-step path for you to eliminate interest, get out of debt, get the banks out of the way, and start building wealth, all at the same time with the same dollars. Again, sounds ridiculous, I know. But when I show you more and understand more, it's a no-brainer. All right. So part of what I teach people is zero line, right? I teach them like what most people do is they go into debt and they work it and pay it off, and now they're going to buy a new car. This is like buying a car. It's called the zero line. They're always back to zero. They either go into debt and got to pay it back, buy a new car, go into debt and pay it back. They're not making any progress. But then you have those Dave Ramsey people out there. And guys, Dave Ramsey people say, well, don't pay cash for everything, right? So you're going to go save it up, save it up, save it up, and you bought the car. So now you are back at zero. And then for the next car, you start saving it up and you buy it and you're back to zero. Each way, whether you're the debtor or the saver, you're still at zero all throughout your life. Whereas my clients will literally eliminate interest, get themselves out of debt, and they start using an account. Let me ask you, if there was an account that you could use, eliminating debt is powerful, and I'm going to show you that. But if you could use an account where you literally will earn 4 or 5% a year out of, tax-free, and it's going to grow in there until you decide to use it. And for our program, you're probably going to want to use it to pay off debt. But you may want to use it for other things. You may want to buy a new car. You may want to invest in stuff. But if you can get an account that literally will grow at 4 to 5% a year, tax-free, and even when you go to use it and take the dollars out of that account for whatever you want, which for a lot of my clients, we're helping you eliminate debt, right? So even if you go to use it to pay off debt, that money in that account will literally still keep growing and compounding on itself like you never even touched it. Would you like me to show that to you as well if I feel like it makes sense for your financial situation? But for most of my clients, it makes sense, not for everybody. But if I feel like it's the right thing to go into, so we can not just eliminate debt, but also help you build wealth at the same time, it would probably make a whole lot of sense to show you that. Fair enough? Who has questions?